push it?
Yeah.
Is it?
Yeah.
God.
Fire drill! Real fire!
What film? We're not even in it. We're going out. Let's get it. Let's go and find this. We're getting off the car. Come on. Oh, yeah. Old school. I don't know. Look at that shit we said out, dude. Oh, that shit we did. Well, no.
I'm going to do it back. I want to. I don't want to catch it on video. Hold on, I'm going to walk up this street and pretend I'm going to science. And then we can find out if it's going up in old blocks. I didn't record it on fucking video though, that's the worst thing. I got myself standing there, but I don't think I actually...
It's fine. Did you do it?
Yeah. Oh, straight up here.
What, rest of the going off, mate?
I know.
I bet I've no good teachers like, what the fuck's going on?
That was fucking wicked. I've done it.
You did it, now you're going to do it again?
Yeah.
That's not going to silence it until somebody silences it.
I know.
Maybe the players use that going. Maybe they are.
Alright, I'm going. It's not the other block. We'll just fucking walk around here, walk through cloisters and say what's going on. It's not going off in the rest of the block.
We'll just be like, why the fuck's everyone being crazy? That's why we'll say we're walking around looking.
Yeah. I think my sister knows. But don't fucking dare tell anyone, Hannah. I bet she's fucking told everyone, don't you?
Deny it, what can they do? You used your fucking finger, didn't you?
Yeah.
You twat.
No, but they won't fingerprint that. Why would they fingerprint it?
Police?
It's not fucking old block, is it?
Well, these are all coming out now. Maybe it's at the rest of like a basket.
I want to go fucking past it and hear it going
It's
on.
raining, mate.
That were fucking good though.
Yeah,
I was
but
going
it's
to do it.
raining. Yeah, I thought you were really. I just didn't think you would do it that soon.
No, I had to.
Got to get it here, 'cause it's fucking raining.
Fuck it.